Hey everybody, it's the Home Dad coming at you with another video. As you can see there, that is a Angus Choice I done went mind blank. It's Angus Choice roast, and we're going to be doing a smoked Mississippi pot roast sandwiches tonight for supper. And we're going to do this real easy. We're going to do rough ground pepper, get a good coating of that on there. Rough ground salt. If I can get the lid open. Now be generous with it. It's a big old piece of meat. This is about 4 pounds. And we're going to add some garlic. We're going to do that to both sides. Pat that in. Here we go. Wipe my hand off here. Salt, pepper, and garlic. I'm using a coarse ground Himalayan salt and a coarse ground black pepper. And we're going to be smoking this in the pit barrel, sorry, not the pit barrel cooker, I don't have one of those. The Oklahoma Joe Bronco, that's my cooker. I love that sucker. Slow hand, he just got himself a Oklahoma Joe, and I think he's going to like that something nice. He's got a bunch more grills, but I think he's going to like that one. Alright, we're going to let this sit and let our coals heat up, and I'll bring you back when we throw her on the smoker. Stay tuned, everybody. Hey everybody, I'm back. Just want to show y'all I do have the meat on. It's coming down. It's raining pretty good out here. Temperature's reading right at 175, but it'll get back up there. I just opened it up. Stay tuned and I'll show you the next steps. Alright everybody, we're back. I've let this roast cook in the smoker for 2 hours to get good hickory smoke on it. And now we're going to lay it down in our brand new Dutch oven that I seasoned last night. And to this, we're going to add in some simple ingredients. 1 whole stick of butter, 1 packet of ranch mix. Get it all over it, like so. 1 packet of au jus gravy. And the star of the show, in my opinion, is what's coming next. A whole jar. This is 12.5 fluid ounces of pepperoncinis. I'm going to add in all the juice. I love this stuff. Get this out of the way and add in all the pepperoncinis. We can get them out of there. There we go. Come on out of there, y'all. Y'all don't have to add that many in if you don't want to, but I love them. So that's what we're going to go with. You don't have to add any more liquid to this. It's going to have plenty in it. We're we're going to put the lid on the Dutch oven. There we go. And we're going to take this and put it back on the smoker for about 3 hours. And I'll bring y'all back after we pull it off. Stay tuned, everybody. Alright, everybody, I just wanted to do a little check. I just put this thing on, and we're right at 325. I turned the dampers down on this to a 1 to get it down about 300. But look what I had to do. You see how nice this thing is? All I had to do was lower the grate on the next level. That Dutch oven fits in there nice and perfect. I can't complain with this machine right here. And I spoke about Greg over at Slow Hands Woodshed Barbecue. You guys got to give him a look. He does a fantastic cook with this thing, and he also makes charcoal baskets that go down in this, and it's way better than the one that comes with it. I have to tell you all that. He cooked for 32 hours on that thing, and I can get about 14 out of mine. But go over there and check him out. The old Oklahoma Joe Bronco. We're going to see how this smoked Mississippi pot roast sandwiches are going to turn out this evening for supper. Stay tuned, everybody. Alright, everybody, we're back. I just pulled it off the smoker. It was on there for another 3 hours, so a total of 5, and I guess the weather, the wind and the rain that I was dealing with cut my charcoal short, and I went out there and it had no heat left. So, well, the pot's still smoking hot, so it's still cooking, but I have not taken the lid off, so let's take it off and see what we got. Oh man, y'all see that? It smells something terrific. Might need to go in the oven. Yeah, it's gonna need to go in the oven and cook some more. It's not too bad, but yeah, it's gonna need to go in there for, I say, another hour. I'm gonna flip it over. You can smell the smoke and all the spices, and you can see the redness in there. That's all. Let's see here. Can y'all see that smoke ring there? I don't know if you can or not, but it's almost there, guys. Let's cover this bad boy up and let's throw it in the oven for about another hour and so. And then we're going to be in business. I'll bring you back once she's done and we can get them sandwiches ready to go. But does it smell divine or what? Wish we had smell-o-vision. Stay tuned and I'll bring you back when we're all done. Alright, everybody, we're back. It's been another hour in the oven. I have not opened it, so we can do that together. I'll try to bring it over here so I can set my lid down. Look at there. Does that look good or what? Let's see how tender it is. Oh yeah. Look at there. Just need that little bit of extra hour in there. Just tears. Oh my goodness, y'all. Can y'all see that? Let's see. Yeah, y'all can see that. Let me see if I can. There we go. See if I can get a close-up of this. Y'all see that smoke ring? A little pink there? Is this going to be good or what? I love Mississippi pot roast already, but having that little bit of hickory smoke in it, I bet that is just going to be something divine. You want to get all that juice in there, get it all tore apart. Oh my. Let's get us a little taste of it, see if we don't burn ourselves. Some of that juice. Let's try it out. My goodness. It's kind of strange because you don't get the smoke up front. The smoke comes in the back. That's probably because the spices and those pepperoncinis have put a nice little spice into this. And the au jus and everything, it just makes it super rich with the butter. But I'm going to continue to get this all torn up. And we are going to make some sandwiches. And go from there. I'll bring you back when I have a sandwich made, everybody. Stay tuned. There you go, everybody. That is a smoked Mississippi pot roast po' boy. And I went ahead and put a little bit of banana peppers on that sucker. And we're going to have us some supper. I hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. I hope you'll give it a try. It's not real hard. It's delicious. And it feeds a lot of people. Stay tuned for our next episodes. Please subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. God bless.